Hey everybody, I'm the Collector here and welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have a pickup from Whatnot and a box from James Doyle, known as DC Animal. So I got this Nightmare Before Christmas tote bag. It has a zipper, which is cool. Very awesome. Now DC Animal on Whatnot was doing mystery boxes. It was not for the Jafar, which I'm a huge Aladdin fan, Disney fan, you all know that. Got some bubbles, and of course it's on top. And of course I want it, because I bought a bunch of the mystery boxes, because I had to have it. And of course I can't get it open. There we go. Here he is. Now I just need the genie to go with it, but that's an expensive pop, as we already all know. More paper. Oh god, not peanuts. I don't like peanuts. So we have this big boy pop. We have teal. Batman pop. Cat, you're not getting in the box. Quit. We have Chucky. We have a Star Wars pop. We have Tangled. And we have a Modular from Friends Pop. So yeah, you see I had to buy a lot of boxes just to win that Jafar. But it was worth it. Alright everybody, that's all I got for today. Comment, like, subscribe, share. And I see you in the next one. Love you, bye.